In the last video of day 3 session of the LBA set, we discussed about the 2 marks problems. In today's day 4 session of the LBA, we can discuss 3 marks question of the LBA set. Fourth myth, answer the following questions. 3 marks question. 45. Locate root 2 on the number line. So this is the very important question regularly asked in your examination. In the unit test of the LBA and also during your SA1 examination also, this question will be 100% will be asked. So to do the construction, here I have to take the number line in the inches. Then I have to use the protractor and compass to do the construction here. So take only 1 inch distance from 0 to A and A to B. After that, mention 1 inch distance, and from 0 to B, put a arc here. So that arc, which is the point P, is nothing but it is called as root 2. For the construction, you will get 1.5 marks, and after that, you have to apply Pythagoras theorem to prove. You will get the answer as root 2. So by Pythagoras theorem, the base square is equal to another 2 sides the square. So I can write root 2 whole square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. So to represent root 2 on the number line, we will get 1.5 marks. And to apply the Pythagoras theorem, you are getting the 1.5 marks. So totally by this question, you will get 3 marks in your examination. Question number 46. Locate root 3 on the number line. So first you have to do the construction similar to root 2, but after the point of ABC, from the C again you have to take protractor and compass, and you have to put the arc and you have to join the line. Then whatever the another extra line you found from the distance A to D is nothing but it is a root 3 construction. As usual, as I said, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. You know, from distance A to B and B to C, we took only 1 centimeter. So I can write 1 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but root 3 whole square is equal to root 2 the whole square plus 1 square. Here I have found A to C as root 2 the whole square. So root 2 the whole square is 2, plus from B to C I took only 1 centimeter distance. So root 2 the whole square is 2 plus 1 square can be written as 1. So 2 plus 3 is 3. So you have to get root 3 here. Applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get root 3 as the answer here. Question number 47. Locate root 5 on the number line. It is exactly similar to root 2 construction, but here instead of taking the inches in 1 centimeter or 1 inches, you have to take here 2 inches. So here from 0 to 2 or from A to B, take 2 inches, and by using protractor and compass, measure 90 degree and put the arc and join the line A to C and mark arc. That is nothing but root 5 construction. Here also we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, 2 square plus 1 square is nothing but 4 plus 1 is 5. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, I can write root 5 as the answer here. So this 3 construction of root 2, root 3 and root 5 is very most important. It will be 100% asked in your examination for 3 marks. You remember 1.5 marks can be got from the construction and 1.5 marks for the Pythagoras theorem application. So these 3 construction are very important. Question number 48. Find the value of 9 to the power 3 by 2, 125 to the power 2 by 3, 16 to the power 3 by 4. This all the 3 questions which carries each 1 marks. It is very important for 3 marks question. These questions are already given in your example and also in the exercise problem of the textbook. That is exercise 1.5. Let us solve these 3 questions one by one. 9 raised to 3 by 2. Here 9 can be written as 3 square raised to 3 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancels. So we'll get 3 cube is equal to 27. 125 raised to 2 by 3. Here 125 can be written as 5 cube raised to 2 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled, so you'll get 5 square. that is 25. 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 raised to 3 by 4. Here 4 and 4 get cancelled, so we'll get 2 cube as 8. This is the answer for this question. Question number 49. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. I already said you in the multiple choice question. Rationalize the factor. Here in the denominator we have 7 plus 3 root 2 can be written as 7 minus 3 root 2. The first step we have to find the rationalizing factor here, that is 7 minus 3 root 2. Second step we have to multiply the rationalizing the factor for both numerator and the denominator. That is 1 divided by 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 root 2. Here 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2. In the denominator you can see it is there in the format of a plus b into a minus b. That is the value of a is 7, the value of b is 3 root 2. 7 square minus b is 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 the whole square. In the next step I can write denominator as it is, that is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by, in the denominator I have 7 square minus 3 root 2 the whole square. 7 square can be written as 49 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 into 3 is 9, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18, that is nothing but 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31. So this is the final answer for question number 41. 9. So this is very important questions for 3 marks. It will be regularly asked in your examination. Question number 50. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. So this is related to question number 49 only. But here the values are different here. Again, root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. First step, that is root 5 minus root 3, the rationalizing factor is root 5 plus root 3. Second step, multiply root 5 plus root 3 for numerator and denominator. So you will get root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. In the denominator, root 5 plus root 3 is written 2 times. Means we can write it as it is root 5 plus root 3 the whole square divided by, in the denominator it is there in the format of a minus b into a plus b. That is root 5 whole square minus root 3 the whole square, because I already told you a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. For the nominator, we have to apply the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The value of a is root 5, the value of b is root 3 in the nominator. So I will write root 5 the whole square plus root 3 the whole square plus 2 root 5 into root 3 divided by, in the nominator I can write root 5 into root 5 is 5 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. The denominator in the next step, root 5 whole square is 5 plus root 3 the whole square is 3 plus 2 root 5 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 15 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. In the denominator I can add 5 plus 3 as 8 plus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Next step, in the denominator I can take 2 as common. So 2 into 4 plus root 15 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So you will get 4 plus root 15 as the final answer of this question. Again, this question is also very important for 3 marks in your examination. So practice these questions properly. That is question number 49 and 50. Question number 51. So this is the last question for 3 marks. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Here we have to divide the fraction, that is 100 by 36, 11 by 1, 4 into 1 by 8 can be written in the fractions, that is 33 divided by 8. If you divide, whatever the answer you are getting, if you get the remainder as 0, it is called as terminating decimal expansion. If you are not getting 0 as the remainder, or if you get the quotient repeated number, then it is called as non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Here in this case, 36 divided by 100, if you divide 100, 36, you will get 0.36 as the Question. So this is the terminating decimal expansion. In this first case, you will get remainder as 0. Second question, 1 divided by 11, if you divide, you will get 0.9 or 0.909. The number will be repeating. So it is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. 4 into 1 by 8. So 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 8. If you multiply here, 1, 2, 5 is repeating again and again after decimal point. So this is, and also you will get the remainder as 0. So this is example for terminating decimal expansion. So this is regarding the day 4 session of the LBA series. In the next video, let us discuss with the 4 marks question in the day 5 session.